is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here about 10 minutes ago, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, crude oil here, your daily chart. All right, well, we had Friday, your high was basically 83.24, and today we went up just a hair at 83.30. So you made just a little bit higher high. But if you look at Friday's low, it was 81.51, and today 81.52, just a higher low. So this is still in very, very good shape. The key level here is going to be this 83.53. Okay, that's going to be the breakout level. Okay, so if the price can close above, then it's going to go higher. Okay, so when we look at the weekly and the monthly chart, I'll show you the resistance levels on where it'll go if you can close above the 83.53. Now on the downside here, what you want to do is obviously just look at today's low at 81.52, and then we want to look at this key 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 81.33. Now, again, if that's lost, then we just look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 80.59 here. We have 80.13. You have 79.07. We look here. You got 78.69. And then what we want to do is look at this key level here. This is the 21-day sitting at 78.19. Right below it is your 200 SMA here, sitting at 76.82. That's very, very key support. And obviously, if it's lost, then we just looked at this 100-day at 74.01, and then your 50 days here sitting at 73.76. But right now, this is all looking very, very bullish here. Just one little red candle there, no really big deal. Now, if it does happen to sell off and lose that 8-day, what you want to do is look to the top of this candle here. This is 77.33. If you look here, this is where it broke out of that price channel. Okay, so a lot of times what it wants to do is when it sells down, it goes back and retests that. And if it holds, then it can go right back up. If it doesn't, then obviously she's going to go lower. So just a quick review. Watch this key 8 SMA here, your 21 SMA, your 200 SMA. On the downside, on the upside, watch this key 53.83. A close above, then she goes higher. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, on your monthly chart here, well, the month just started here, but you're all looking good. See, you're above the 100, the 50, the 200, and your key 8 SMA here. All looking very good. And that would be your 8 SMA would be your key support level there, sitting at 76.26. Now, your upside there, if you can break above this key candle right here, which is 83.53, then we go look for this next target here of 86.20. That's your 21 SMA. Now, here on your weekly chart here, well, this is still looking very, very bullish. You still have your 8-day above your 21. That's a very nice bullish cross here, headed right towards the 50-day. The key on the upside is going to be this 83.53. If you can break above this level here, then the next target is going to be this 100 SMA here, sitting at 85.50. And then above that, then we go right here to your 21 SMA here, sitting at 86.20. Now, on the downside, you can see how this candle held that 50-day really, really nice. That is going to be your key support level right there, sitting at 78.25. And then we come right below that. You've got 76.40, and then your 21 there is sitting at 74.95. But this time of the year here, you've got the hurricane season building up here. If that gets really wild, you get any kind of disruption, plus you get what OPEC is doing here, the crude prices could go much higher. The key is a close above this 83.53. This is why you trade the charts. You know exactly where it's going to go. Okay, so then you can decide whether you're going to pay long or short or whatever to do. Here's just a little quick tip for you. Anytime the OPEC meeting is, whenever they announce it, it's usually every month here now. So what you want to do is you want to go long ahead of that meeting because you never know what they're going to decide. They want prices up higher, so you want to be long into it. And then that's how I trade it. And then I scalp every day for cash flow every day, but I'm a long period into it, and then I sell into it. Especially here, you could not get through this 83.53, and then she sold off. So now we got to see exactly if this is going to go higher, it's going to keep on pulling back, or what the results are going to be. All right, let's take a look here at the old Nat Gas. Okay, Nat Gas here, having a very, very good day. I've been pointing out here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and pow. There she goes, 2.752. Very, very nice here. Okay, so what you want to do here on this upside is we just want to keep looking at all these top of these candles here. Okay, so basically we have right here, you got 2.74. It went to 2.752 there today. This is 2.754. So you're within that tenths of a cent there. Next level up here is going to be right there at 2.767, and then we have your big retest up here coming in at 2.78, and then you can just work yourself all the way up here until you hit 2.87. Now on the downside here, you want to watch 2.70. That is your 8 SMA here, 2.64, and then we come down to your Honda, your 200-day here sitting at 2.6, and then we have your 50-day basically at 2.6 going on right there. Your big support level here on your 4-hour chart here is going to be your 200 at 2.65. So we had a nice series of lower highs, which sent the price right on down here. But now you can see that broken right on up here. So now we just go and just the opposite, check all these levels for going higher. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, you can see here on the old daily chart here, she ripped up really, really nice today. It's finally getting a little action here. Look at that nice green candle. You had two green candles here, and then power right on up here. So you want to watch some price channels sitting at 2.78. That's your target on the upside here. On the downside, you want to watch that 21 SMA. You're sitting at 2.63. You have your 8 SMA sitting there, sitting at 2.60, and then 2.54 is right below. That's your 50-day, and then you have your retest of your price channel at 2.45, and then your hundreds right below that at 2.39. The key is going to be right there, sitting at 2.789. If you can get above there, then we'll look to this candle right here. You're looking at that's 2.789 here. Then you want to look right here on this candle here. You're looking at 2.828, and then this is the big retest there at 2.87. Okay, so again, if it gets above that, then we look right here. There's a candle. That's your target right there, sitting at 3.027. But right now, that's a very, very bullish. Got right off the schneid and went right on up there very, very nicely. But if you look on a 4-hour chart there, you had a bottom of 2.44 last week, and then you put in a higher high at 2.45, and that's what set this whole thing off in motion. But again, look at this price channel here. That's going to be the key first level. If you can get above, then we look to that candle right there, sitting at 2.87, and then this is to be the target right there, sitting at 3.02. Now again, if you get above, now look at it. It's got a nice 200-day sitting at 3.44. But let's not get excited here. This is only a couple of days of trade here, so we got to see. But right now, he had some really good action here. And the Nat Gas here, I scalped Boyle there today. I got actually I got 4.5 points out of Boyle. I scalped it twice, so that actually worked out really good here. So maybe Nat Gas is coming alive. Now remember, you got hurricane season, disruption. Oh man, it really, really trends on natural gas here. Okay, so if you look at where the high is here, you could go all the way up to here. If you have a real cold winter, major disruption, bad for people, good for long traders. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching. I tell you what, I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will review crude oil here and natural gas.